Have you ever gazed into your trusty Dutch oven, bubbling away with a delicious stew, and wondered, why is it called a Dutch oven anyway? After all, wouldn't a French oven make more sense? Well, history buffs and curious cooks, let's dive into the surprising truth behind this culinary mystery. Throughout history, cookware has been an ever-evolving story. For centuries before the 17th century, pots were often a luxurious affair, crafted from expensive copper or brass. But then, something exciting happened. Let's step back in time to 17th century Netherlands, a land where culinary innovation flourished. Here, the Dutch emerged as a leader in cookware, particularly with the iconic Dutch oven. These Dutch artisans were known for their meticulous craftsmanship, and their cast-iron Dutch ovens became a true status symbol in kitchens back then. Notice the smooth finish? This was achieved through a refined sand casting process, perfected by the Dutch for their cookware. Now, this sand casting business wasn't just about aesthetics. It allowed the Dutch to create much smoother finishes on pots, especially those made of iron. And that is where the story takes a delicious turn. Across the English Channel, a British industrialist named Abraham Darby was particularly impressed by the Dutch sandcasting technique. He saw the potential for creating strong, affordable cast iron pots for everyday use, something much sturdier than those fancy copper numbers. Darby returned to England, fired up his furnace, and using the inspiration from the Dutch, pioneered a whole new cast iron pot production method based on sandcasting. But what to call this revolutionary new cookware? Well, in a nod to the ingenuity he witnessed across the sea, Darby christened his creation the Dutch oven. The story doesn't end there, though. Fast forward to 1891, and another Dutchman named Johannes Burke van Kampen comes along. He takes the cast iron Dutch oven to the next level by inventing a way to coat it in beautiful, colorful enamel. This innovation made Dutch ovens even more versatile and easier to clean, a true game-changer for kitchens everywhere. So, the next time you use your Dutch oven to slow cook a perfect pot roast or bake a crusty loaf of bread, remember the fascinating journey this cookware has taken. From the innovative Dutch to the resourceful Brits, the design of the Dutch oven has been passed down through the ages, constantly evolving to meet the needs of cooks around the world. But the Dutch oven isn't just about technical specs and historical intrigue. For many families, it's a symbol of comfort food, warmth, and creating lasting memories. Imagine Grandma's famous chili simmering away in that familiar pot, filling the kitchen with its irresistible aroma. The Dutch oven becomes a vessel for passing down cherished recipes and traditions generation after generation. So, there you have it, the surprising truth behind the name Dutch oven, a testament to international ingenuity and our shared love for good food. If you're looking for some delicious Dutch oven recipes to try at home, be sure to check out the links in the description below. And while you're there, hit that subscribe button for more fun and informative explorations. Thanks for joining us on this culinary investigation. Until next time, happy cooking!